In this video, we will show you how we can make these nice transition slides in PowerPoint with Morph. All the way from scratch, let's start from blank slide. Click on right button, go to Format Background, select Color, then Close, go to Insert, choose a border style from Border Gallery. Here we write TVS Jupiter. Select and go to Home tab. Change the font, size 85. Go to Insert, select text box, paste here, select and size 55. Go to character spacing, select very loose, put here, go to Insert, click on Picture. I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select it and insert it. Size 19. Click on right button, select duplicate slide. Go to Format, size 15. Select text box, size 110. Select this text box, size 70. Go to Insert, click on Shapes, select Oval, choose Color using eyedropper, shape outline, make it no outline. Click on right button, select Edit Text, insert one, select, go to Home tab, increase size, bold it, go to Insert, select text box, write description of TVS Jupiter, increase size, select both and group them. Now press Ctrl Shift and take it down. Change the number and change the description too. Press Ctrl Shift and take it down. Change the number and change the description too. Now select all three and go to Format. Distribute them vertically by align. Adjust properly of the slide. Copy all three and paste them on the first slide. We will zoom out the slide and set each text box like this. Now select both slides and go to Transition, select Morph. Now let's play the slideshow and see. Hope you enjoy the tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.